Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2022 Bobcat T66 R Series loader. This is a 74 horsepower machine. This is a complete redesigned machine Bobcat's come out with. What a machine. A lot of features packed in this, a really nice dash. Cab is redone. This is a 5-link torsion suspension system. It is a wide track. This is basically what has replaced a T595. This is a high flow machine, cab heat air, pilot controls, power quick attach. 74 horse, does have the weight kit on it. So this little machine packs a lot of punch. It is an all original machine. There's no paint touch up. 1,061 hours. This machine has left on it. I was actually lucky to buy this, and here's what we got left as far as warranty, which is pretty impressive. So you got your standard 60 months, 3,000 hour emissions. This unit was sold new 12/27 of 21. So that date ends 12/26 of 26. It also had its 24-month warranty, which is out this year. Started 12/27 of 21. That's 24 months, 2,000 hours, and that ends 12/26 of 2023. Then it had a standard 24-month unlimited battery warranty. That ends 12/26, 2023. Then this unit also had what's called Protection Plus 48 months, 2,000 hour full. So it's an extended warranty that was purchased for this, which is fully transferable. We've already got that figured out for you. That started 12/27, 2021, and it's going to end 12/26, 2025. And then it also has a standard 36-month unlimited hours drive belt warranty, which ends 12/26, 2024. There again, this has this Protection Plus 48-month full warranty with it. That's transferable. I'm going to pay the fee to do that for the customer and extend that to you. So understand you're buying a machine that still has warranty on it, which is great. We're going to start you back here in the engine compartment. We're going to take you around, kind of unpack some of these features of this machine. Kind of different to us. We're used to the 595 size machines. This is our first T66, so it's kind of cool to go through and learn about this. A couple scratches right here on the door where they had put this on their trailer. They had a stand that said here with some other attachments, and it rubbed that. Other than that, all paint's original. The back door is very nice and straight. You can see down here at the bumper guard, that is very nice and straight. Does have the counterweight kit in the back here. 74 horsepower, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. We did do a full service. We wrote on the filters. We did run it around here a little bit because we kind of wanted to play and know a little bit about it. Went right to Bobcat. We bought every single filter and oil and changed it. We did do the hub oils also, which was very, very easy. I think they broke down some of the service stuff, which was a little nicer to get to. They did make this radiator here able to come up, which is kind of cool. Back door, you can see they've moved the condenser in here. They did make that condenser be able to take, and you can unpin this, and it will take and actually pivot out. Take a strap off the bottom here. You can turn that out for cleaning, which is a pretty neat idea. So there are some really nice things I do believe they've done. Back door has a nice seal in it, seals it up, kind of trying to keep your debris out. Big H-link on the back. They've made everything where the grease fitting is in the end of the pins there is nice. Put some nice hose protectors on. Again, this does have the 5-link torsion suspension system under it. It is extremely nice ride on it. Again, it is a wide track model. The undercarriage itself, which you can see, has OEM Bridgestone tracks on it. They're about 75%. The remainder of the undercarriage is probably 85%. You can still see the factory paint on the rollers. The man took immaculate care of this machine. It is extremely, extremely straight. He did keep his bucket, so we put a Bobcat severe duty 74-inch with a bolt and cutting edge on it, so that it was a factory bucket for you. 7-pin attachment control device. 1/2-inch couplers with case drain. This is high flow hydraulics, so you do have your standard flow circuit, and then you will have a high flow circuit. Power bob attach. and they've really beefed up the Bobcat. It's a single piece cast. Pretty nice setup that they've done there. He did tint the windows in it. I think it looks pretty cool. We left it alone. Does have LED lights, factory. And heading into the cab, you want to talk about a complete redesign of a traditional Bobcat. A lot of really neat features that they've done. Some pretty massive upgrades in the Bobcat itself. You can see up top the roof there, everything there is nice, straight, clean. One major thing they have done, where you sit, they've really kind of changed the design of that. To start, you're gonna push that button one time. It's gonna go ahead, it's gonna power up your dash. We're gonna go ahead, start it. I don't hold any rights to the music. Here you can see that the radio works. I'm gonna go ahead and shut that off now. But this dash, 1,061 hours, fuel, you have a backup camera, which is nice. You can pair this to your phone, audio, which obviously is a radio, Bluetooth setup. Service we went through here. It's doing 120 hours, it's saying, for I forget what it was, but we did go ahead. Here's service code. You have no service codes. Record. We went ahead, did the drive motor oils, schedule, replace engine oil and element, repeat every 120 hours is what it's saying here. You can adjust that, so that's what it's saying. In 120 hours, you need to change engine oil again. Coolant doing 500 hours, so basically they want you to do that, and then repeat every 1,500. It is a touch screen, which is really neat. You can go in here and pair with attachments then, what you're going to run. You can go to settings. So in settings, I found some really cool stuff. You can go in and set displays. You can go in here, machine settings. So drive response, you can basically cut that up and down, your work groups for your attachments. Speed management, steering drift compensator, which, you know, there again, that's telling you how to do that. Lift and tilt the same. Throttle mode, you can go to manual, auto idle, or auto throttle, okay? Here's the other nice thing, you can set your delays. Here is one thing Bobcat needed to come out with a long time ago. Now we have a decel pedal, just like in a dozer, available. So I can turn this thing up wide open, okay? I can get down here now, depress my throttle, okay? Just like a dozer. Now I can go up here, shut that off, okay? Now, take my throttle back down. Now I'm throttling up, which is extremely cool that they've done that. Cat's had that for a long time. John Deere has it. I think it's a great setup. So over here, like a traditional Bobcat, we're gonna go ahead and push that. That's start, I apologize. This is going to be unlock everything, park brake, okay? That's gonna lock you again, auxiliary hydraulics. Then you can go through and set what you want. ISO or H pattern, throttle. Down here's your auxiliaries. Far as going up here to the radio, you can go in and hit that. It's going to take you to your backup camera, music, phone, home button. That's going to take you to home. You can basically, then if you're in a screen, like we're in audio, you can go back up here and hit this back button, and it's going to take you back to your main screen. Headlights, turn those off. Now, one really cool thing, you can turn your radio up and down off this knob. You have your cab heat air. You got a little storage cubby hole. Here's some plug-in ports. 2,350 pound of lift. You got your power bob attached, window stuff up here, some other related items. You still got your snail mode feature. There again, you can toggle through that. Then you're going to have your 2-speed. Whenever that is deactivated, you're going to kick in and out of 2-speed. Float. They did make these controls now like that. Back windows are totally different. I mean, it's a very, very cool machine. I do feel to take the guy that was a traditional like T590, T595, T650 guy, whatever. It's going to take you a little getting used to. There again, it took me a minute because it's something completely new. But it is a cool, cool setup. So we're going to run this thing around, show you how everything works, and kind of give you the quick and easy here of how everything works on it. So again, we're going to push the green button. It's going to power up our command dash here. I'm going to hit it again. It's going to fire right up, pull the door shut, hit the green button, and we'll rock and roll. Here we go. So, you guys are along for the ride. I'm going to go ahead and throttle up. I am going to choose to use my de-throttleizer because I just kind of like it. I have a dozer of my own and I kind of enjoy that on a skid loader. I will say in this machine, the controls are very smooth. They are very, very snappy. It's impressive how it tracks. I will say it took me, I did run it about an hour just to kind of get a feel of the machine. I like to do that with new stuff to kind of get my honest opinion of it. And I'm one of these guys, I don't like to sell stuff if I don't like it. And it took a minute for this to grow on me, but there's a lot of cool things that this thing does that I do feel Bobcat really come to the market on it and change some things that needed to be changed. Backup camera is a beautiful backup camera setup. And especially if you're a guy that likes technology stuff, I think it's an awesome feature for you to have. There I'm in 2-speed. I'm going to toggle back to single. I'm going to go ahead back into 2-speed. The cab heat air setup in this, I will say that also, very, very nice. Back in single speed. The cab heat air is a very, very nice ducted system. You know, they've changed the controls from being down on your dash to being up here on your right hand, which is nice. I will also say that this 5-link control system is a very, very nice ride. Pretty impressed with it. There again, the machine does everything you want it to do very comfortably. The machine also, I forgot to mention, does have an air ride seat. The nice thing that they've done, and I'm glad they didn't change something on that, they have chose to keep the joysticks that Bobcat has had for a very long time. As far as the handles, there's nothing new there that you really had to learn or understand. I think that was a great thing. The biggest challenges that I had was understanding the new push pad. There again, and again, the T66 has been out a while. This is just my first chance to own one and kind of get to know what the machine is. And yet, here I am, I got this nice backup camera and I'm still looking over my shoulder. And there I am in 2-speed. So, you can see it does grade nice. I'm pretty tickled with that. One thing I am very, very happy with, it seems like they've got the geometry of the boom right with all of their buckets as far as when they changed this design. They've got it where it truthfully does still fit and work right. Power bob attach. We're going to go ahead and open up the bucket. This thing has power management in it, so if it isn't calling for high RPMs, it'll cut you in and out, which is neat. Or if it sees a load sense drop, power bob attach down. And I assume that they're doing that so that it is not burning fuel. Probably more management in the fuel side of it than anything. And there I am cutting myself down on my fuel also. We'll go ahead and hook this up. Power bob attach down. Big thing guys should always do. Whenever you rehook, get underneath here, lift up, make sure your pins have latched. That is a massive thing that you guys should always do. Again, for me, pretty tickled with this thing. Very cool machine. Very different to get the run. You see there, I've decelled clear down. Now, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit snail mode, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it back to 10%. I'm going to go ahead and open the throttle back up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just keep bumping myself up through. There I'm like 75, 80. Now I'll slow myself down going forward, cut myself down. I'm going to go ahead and speed myself back up. And we'll go ahead and shut that off. So that's out of snail mode. Snail mode deactivated. Guys, pretty cool machine. Again, now all I gotta do, if you don't want to run that decel, I can go into the machine settings. I can go up here to speed management. I apologize. Now I need to go up here to throttle mode. I'm gonna take decel off. It's gonna take me back wide open. I'm gonna go ahead and hit manual throttle. The manual throttle, what that is going to do is that is gonna take you off of basically being able to auto throttle. And what that auto throttle was doing, if you noticed, you heard it cut in and out a little bit. And that was from basically taking in it, and it was basically load sensing the machine of what it needed. So it's pretty cool that they've done that. So, pretty neat. So, guys, that's it. That's what we see. That's what we know so far. Pretty cool. That's our honest opinion on this. I mean, it is a pretty cool machine. A lot of neat features, a lot of stuff built in. Hey, if you got any questions, you want to come by and take a look at it yourself in person, please do that. We'll gladly show you anything you want to know about it. But again, it's serviced. It is ready to go to work. Very clean. Very cool machine to own. Again, it's something new to us. And again, it's been out for a good many years already. T66. So you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please see us on Tractor House Machinery Trader. We'll be glad to help you with anything you need to know. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Thanks and have a great day.